right, so I put my gauge on here. It's really important to test the pressure because what we realize sometimes is that the sprinkler system is regulated independent of the house, and so we really want to know what that pressure is. So I'm going to fire up this first valve right here. I might see a little bit of water burp out of here. That's normal. Other times it doesn't, just like that. Now I'm going to fire up see what the pressure is. So I like that, right? You know, we're just under 60 psi. That's good. Okay. 2 appointments ago we went, and dang it, we were at 140 psi. That's not good. All right, now let's see here. We got our box right here. So I turned on the water now. So this is the downstream valve, and it pressurizes the main line and goes to the control valves. And they were all set to open because that's how we do it when we blow it out. And now what I'm gonna do, why is that 0 psi? It's because I turned it off. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do what's called our Mainline Integrity Test. And what that is I'm gonna shut this #1 ball valve right here. I'm going to see if the system's holding pressure. And it looks like we are. Now my threads might be leaking just a tiny bit right here, but we're actually still holding pressure. So that's good. So we passed the Mainline Integrity Test. That's an important part of it. Okay, now we just need to go to the timer and run the zones through the timer.